This is Kaylin, and I'm going to be showing you how to make hummingbird food. The way how you need it is a spoon, some water, something to put it in, some red food dye. I just grabbed my whole food dye box, and some sugar. So you want to start with grabbing your water and putting your red food dye in it. Don't get it on you, it's stains if you didn't know that. Once you got that in there,
Don't get it on your clothes and
won't mix the water with the food dye. I got it on top of the thing, my whole table. What are you spraying? And then once you got that, just keep on mixing it until it's good. And then put your sugar in there. And got my spoon and do it.
I got some of these.
Okay. What? I know, that's what I laughed about.
Where's the screw?
Put your sugar in. And then once you got your sugar in, mix it again. Oh no. I'm being all crazy today. Mix it up.
You're not making better?
Grab your plate, your thing that you're putting it in, and then pour it in there. I gotta do it carefully.
Is there any money left on the food stamp card?
Uh-huh.
I'm either coming down with a cold or something. Sore throat.
So once you got that, mix it a little.
Always get a cold.
Once you got that, once you got your stuff in there, you're all good. You can put it in your honey bird feeder and have them. I like that. I like to eat it sometimes. I like to eat it. I'm not joking. I like to eat it. I like to eat the hummingbird food. It's just really
So you
simple.
didn't go to Kroger's
People
today?
can eat it. They don't get sick.